I'm Larry, one of the sales engineers here at Multi-Wing America, and today I'm going to review how to measure the mounting pattern of a flange-mounted fan. I use a little larger hub so that it's easier to see. The first dimension that we're going to need is the large center pilot hole. When you take these measurements, you should use a caliper, not a tape measure. These are machine dimensions, so we do need exact measurements. I'm not going to take the time today to get perfect measurements, just show you the example. In this case, the pilot hole is 3 inches in diameter. The next number that we're going to need is the number of bolt holes surrounding the pilot hole. In this case, you can see there are 6 bolt holes. We'll need to know the diameter of each of those bolt holes. And this is a measurement of the bolt hole itself, not of the bolt that goes in the hole. In this case, it's 0.531 inches. The last measurement we're going to need is the bolt circle diameter. The bolt circle diameter is the diameter of the circle that would go through the center point of each of the bolt holes. If you have an even number of bolt holes, the easiest way to measure this is to measure from the side of one bolt hole to the same side of the corresponding bolt hole, or the opposing bolt hole. In this case, that dimension is 5.5 inches. If your mounting pattern has an odd number of bolt holes, you're not going to have 2 opposing bolt holes, so you're going to have to do a little bit of math. The easiest way to do this, and if you think of measuring from side of bolt hole to side of bolt hole, you already know this pilot hole diameter. You already know the diameter of one of the bolt holes. The only measurement you don't have is the measurement between the pilot hole and the bolt hole. In this case, it's 0.9845 inches. So if we add up one bolt hole, 0.531 inches, 2 times this measurement, or 0.9845, plus the pilot hole dimension, 3 inches, you'll find that the math adds up to the same 5.5 inch bolt circle diameter. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.